Chapter 2. More on Excel 2019. Chapter Outline. In this chapter, you will learn 1. Charts in Excel. 2. Sorting data. 3. Filtering data. 4. Data validation. 5. Pivot table. 6. Goal seek. 7. Conditional formatting. Ambi. Hey KB, did you know Excel offers some incredible tools to enhance how we work with data? KB. Really? Like what? Ambi. Absolutely. Just as we use tables to organize data, Excel introduces features like charts that visually represent our numbers, making them more understandable. KB. That sounds useful. What else can Excel do? Ambi. Well, there's filtering and sorting. If we have a large data set, filters help us focus on specific information, and sorting neatly arranges our data in ascending or descending order. KB. Interesting. Anything more to discover? Ambi. Indeed, there's the pivot table. It's like a master organizer, helping us analyze and summarize complex data effortlessly, unveiling insights in a structured manner. KB. Excel seems like a data maestro. I'm intrigued to delve into these tools. Let's embark on the journey of making our data dance. Charts in Excel. A chart is a pictorial representation of data. Charts make it easier to draw comparison and analyze the growth, relationship, and trends among the values in a range. When the data changes, the chart is updated automatically. Types of charts. Different types of charts are available in Excel. Here we will use the data as shown in the figure given alongside. Some of the most commonly used charts are as follows. Column chart. A column chart, referred to figure 2.1, is a commonly used chart type to display data in the form of vertical bars. It is used to show changes in data over a period of time or comparisons among different data items. In a column chart, categories are organized along the horizontal axis and values along the vertical axis. Line chart. A line chart, referred to figure 2.2, is in the form of lines. It uses connecting dots to show trends in data over a period of time. Each line in the chart shows the changes in the value of one item. Pie chart. A pie chart, referred to figure 2.3, is a type of chart representing data in a circular form, with each slice of the circle representing a fraction or proportionate part of the whole. All slices of the pie add up to make the whole equaling 100% and 360 degrees. Bar chart. A bar chart, referred to figure 2.4, displays the comparisons among individual items as a set of horizontal bars. A bar chart is similar to a column chart except that in this type of chart, the values are represented on the horizontal axis, whereas categories are represented on the vertical axis. Donut chart. A donut chart, referred to figure 2.5, is similar to a pie chart except that it can be used to plot more than one data series. Data series is represented by individual rings. Each section on a ring displays the contribution of an individual item to the total of all items in a particular series. Scatter XY chart. A scatter chart, figure 2.6, plots each data point with a marker. Unlike a line chart, the x-axis of a scatter chart has numbers and not text labels. So, x-axis markings are spaced according to their values and are evenly spaced along the axis. Scatter charts are useful to plot relationships between linked sets of numbers, for example, height, weight, and price or sales. The points on the scatter chart can be connected with a line, but it is often used without connecting lines. You might use a scatter chart when your chart has many data points, but there is no particular trend in their rise and fall. Area chart. An area chart, Figure 2.7 is similar to a line chart, but the data point markers are not displayed and the area beneath the lines is filled with color. An area chart emphasizes the magnitude of change in data over time. It is mainly used for representing sales and production figures. Radar chart. A radar chart, figure 2.8, plots data in concentric circles. Each data series is plotted along a separate axis from the center point to the outer ring. Lines connect values from the same series. Components of a chart. A chart, figure 2.9, is described using various elements. 1. Chart area. It refers to the area within which all chart components are found. 2. Category axis. It is the horizontal axis of the chart. It is also known as the x-axis. 3. Value axis. It is the vertical axis of the chart. It is also known as the y-axis. 4. Data series. Data series are the bars, slices, or other elements that represent the data values. 5. Axis titles. These are the headings given to X and Y axis. 6. Chart title. It is the heading of a chart. It helps the user to understand what the chart represents. 7. Plot area. It is an area containing the chart, axis and grid lines. 8. Grid lines. These are either horizontal or vertical lines depending on the selected chart type. Grid lines make it easier to read and understand. 9. Legend. It depicts the colors, patterns and symbols assigned to a data series. 10. Data label. It is the title given to the data markers in a chart. 11. Data table. It is the table containing the values for each data series, usually displayed below a chart. Creating a chart. To create a chart, follow these steps. 1. Type the data as given in figure 2.10 and select the range A1 to B7 including column titles. 2. Click on the Insert tab. 3. Click on the Insert Column Chart option in the Charts group. 4. Select the desired chart subtype from the list. The chart appears on your worksheet. Figure 2.11. 2 new tabs, Design and Format, appear in the ribbon under Chart Tools whenever you click on the chart. These tabs contain options for editing and formatting the chart. Adding an axis title. To add an axis title, click on the chart and follow these steps. 1. Select the chart. 2. Click on the Design tab under Chart Tools. 3. Click on the Add Chart element. 4. Click on the Axis Title option in the Charts Layouts group. 5. Click on the Primary Horizontal or Primary Vertical option. Adding a chart title. To add a chart title, click on the chart and follow these steps. 1. Select the chart. 2. Click on the Design tab under Chart Tools. 3. Click on the Add Chart Element option. 4. Click on the Chart Title option in the Chart Layouts group. 5. Click on the Desired option. 6. Type the text in the Chart Title text box. After typing the title, click outside the chart. Similarly, you can add legend, data labels and data table using Add Chart Element option in the Chart Layouts group on the Design tab under Chart Tools. Changing the chart type or subtype. To change the chart type or subtype, click on the chart and follow these steps. 1. Select the chart. 2. Click on the Design tab under Chart Tools. 3. Click on the Change Chart Type in the Type group. 4. The Change Chart Type dialog box appears. Click and select a new chart type or subtype. 5. Click on the OK button. The chart type gets changed. Sorting data. Sorting means arranging data either in an ascending or in a descending order in a worksheet. Data can be sorted in rows on the basis of text, numbers, combination of text and numbers or dates. Once the data is organized, it becomes easy to work with. To sort the data shown in the given figure, follow these steps. 1. Select the range of cells containing the data to be sorted. Figure 2.19. Click on the Sort option in the Sort and Filter group on the Data tab. The Sort dialog box appears. Figure 2.20. Select the column on the basis of which you want to sort from the Sort by the drop-down list. Select the Values option from the Sort on drop-down list. 5. Select the order of sorting from the Order drop-down list. 6. Click on the OK button. Quick tips. To sort the list based on one column quickly, select any cell in the column and click the Sort A to Z button for ascending or Sort Z to A button for descending order in the Sort and Filter group on the Data tab. These options are also available in the Editing group on the Home tab. Filtering data. The filter feature allows you to see only those records that you want to display, temporarily hiding the rest of the data from view. We can say that viewing only selective data that satisfies a given condition is known as filtering data. Filtering is different from sorting. Unlike sorting, filtering does not rearrange the data. To filter the data, follow these steps. 1. Type the data as shown. 2. Click on any cell in the range you want to filter. Figure 2.21. 3. Click on the Filter option in the Sort and Filter option in the Data tab. 4. The filter arrows appear next to the column headings. Click on the arrow next to the column heading to specify the condition or conditions. 5. The drop-down list, Figure 2.22, provides many options for filtering data. Select the check boxes of the values on the basis of which you want to filter and clear the other check boxes. 6. Click on the OK button. The list is filtered according to the chosen criteria. Figure 2.23. Data validation. Data validation is used to restrict the cell entries within a specified range. To apply data validation, follow these steps. 1. Select the range A1 to A10, Figure 2.24. 2. Click on Data Validation option in the Data Tools on the Data tab. 3. A drop-down list appears. Refer to Figure 2.24. Click on the Data Validation option. 4. The Data Validation dialog box appears. Click on the Settings tab. 5. In Allow drop-down box, select Whole Number option. 6. In Data, drop-down list box between options is selected by default. 7. In Minimum text box, type 0 and in Maximum text box, type 100. 8. Click on the Input Message tab. 9. In the Title text box, type Validation. In Input Message box, type greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 0, Figure 2.26. 10. Click on the Error Alert tab. 11. Type Try Again! Invalid in single quote in Error Message box, Figure 2.27. 12. Click on the OK button. If you try to enter data beyond the specified limit in the selected range, an error message will be displayed. Figure 2.28. Click on Retry to enter another value in the cell. Pivot Table. Pivot Table is a powerful tool for consolidating, summarizing, and presenting data. To create pivot tables, follow these steps. 1. Enter the data in a new worksheet and select the data range. 2. Click on the Pivot Table option in the Tables group on the Insert tab. 3. The Create Pivot Table dialog box appears. Figure 2.29. In the Table or Range text box, the range is displayed that you have selected for the pivot table. The new Worksheet Radio button is selected by default. Click on the OK button. 4. The pivot table layout is displayed on the new worksheet, figure 2.30. The pivot table fields list task pane appears on the right side of the screen. Click and drag the name field from the choose fields to add to report pane and drop it into the rows quadrant. 5. Drag the product field into the columns quadrant, figure 2.31. 6. Drag the sale field into the values quadrant. Goal Seek. Goal Seek is a wonderful feature for fixing a specific result for one cell by adjusting a value in another cell. Follow the steps given below. 1. Enter data in a worksheet as shown, figure 2.32. 2. Click on the What If Analysis option in the Data Tools group on the Data tab. 3. A drop-down list appears, figure 2.33. Select Goal Seek option. 4. The Goal Seek dialog box appears. In Set Cell text box, define the cell address H2 on which the Goal Seek is to be applied. This box contains the reference to the cell containing the formula, that is 80% of 600. 5. Type the new value 480 as a result in To Value text box. This box contains the formula result you are trying to achieve. 6. Press the Tab key and click on the cell G2 in a worksheet. The address will appear in by changing cell text box. 7. Click on the OK button. 8. The Goal Seek status dialog box, figure 2.33 appears on the screen displaying the target value 480 and current value 480. Click on the OK button. Observe the change in the cell G2. Conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a feature in Excel that lets you apply formatting, such as cell shading or font color to a cell only when the cell contents satisfy a given condition. When the value of the cell meets the format condition, the selected formatting is applied to the cell. If the value of the cell does not meet the format condition, the default formatting is used. Conditional formatting is a feature that allows you to set a cell's format according to conditions that you specify. To apply conditional formatting, follow these steps. 1. Enter the data in a new worksheet as shown and select the range of cells to be formatted. For example, B2 to G13. 2. Click on the Conditional Formatting option in the Styles group on the Home tab. A list of options is displayed. 3. Select the required option as per the criteria you want to apply. Here we select Highlight Cells Rules greater than figure 2.35. 4. A dialog box appears, figure 2.36. Enter the value and specify the formatting to be applied. In this example, enter the value as 85 and choose light red fill with dark red text as the formatting option. 5. Click on the OK button. 6. Similarly, you can choose Highlight Cells Rules less than. 7. A dialog box appears. Enter the value and specify the formatting to be applied. In this example, enter the value as 75 in yellow fill with dark yellow text as the formatting option. 8. Click on the OK button. The cells are formatted according to the specified conditions as shown in figure 2.37. Tech terms. Chart, a pictorial representation of data. Sorting, arranging data either in an ascending or descending order. Data validation, a feature to restrict the cell entries within a specified range.